Hello. I'm back. It's been a hot minute. I know I have not filmed in months. Honestly, I have no excuse at all. I just have not found the time, or if I had the time, I was being lazy. And you know, we've all been there, so whatever. Today I'm going to show you how to do this look. It's a sunset-ish, I don't even know what to call it, like a, I don't know what I'm going to name this video, maybe like a sunset cut crease. I always run out of breath when I do these intros, and like I don't know why I'm just sitting here not like using any energy, but anyways, I don't think I had anything else to tell you besides sorry I've been gone forever, and not that many of you probably care that I'm back and I'm doing this. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light. And I'm going to set that using the Too Faced Born This Way translucent setting powder. By the way, I've already moisturized using the Cosmetic Lad from Lush. If you have dry and flaky skin, this is the moisturizer for you. It saved my life. For my transition shade, I'm going to use this shade in the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. It's called Salted Caramel. Alright, and next I'm going into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette using this shade right here called Shy. It's a light pink, and just putting that right below the Salted Caramel. And next I'm going in with this single shade called Curfew from Makeup Geek, I believe. Yes, from Makeup Geek. And I'm just using an outer V brush or a small dome. And I'm just starting on the outer V of my eye. So once you're satisfied with the amount of purple that you have on your outer corner and a little bit drug in, we are gonna cut that crease with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand because you do not need a lot. I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush, just like this one here, if it's ever gonna focus. Oh, there we go. Just a flat shader brush kind of. And I just put some on my hand there. And just grab some on your brush. So I just start on the inner corner and drag along that line. Don't worry about your purple because you can always fix that later. If you're new to this, your line is not going to be straight, which is fine. Mine's not straight. So when you're finished, you're going to take another flat shader-like eyeshadow brush. I'm going in with the shade Angelic from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and going right over top. And there's going to be a lot of fallout, so don't worry about it. I would not recommend doing your foundation before you're using glittery shades because that bitch is just going to fall all over. Once you have that step done and you're looking like an unblended mess, you're going to want to go in with your outer V brush again or a blending brush back into the purple color and just blend that harsh line out. Then you can go back in and fix whatever you'd like to fix. For me, I would like more pink showing at the top, so I'm just going to go back into the pink transition shade and just lightly sweep that all over. So I'm gonna go finish the other eye and the rest of my face, and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm back to finish the under eye. Sorry. I'll just be using a precision shadow brush by Sephora, and I lost the eyeshadow that I was doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back in with that purple called Curfew by Makeup Geek, and I am just finding my mirror and putting that just along the lower lash line here. And I'm only dragging it about halfway across my lower lash line. To highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to be using the shade Shimma Shimma by Makeup Geek, and I'm just taking a really small teeny brush. So I'm just going to pop it in the inner corner. Alright, so this is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is one of my favorite looks that I've done. This was the second time, the first time was practicing this, but this was pretty much the first time that I've ever done a cut crease. That's why I was like, if your line stays straight, don't worry about it, because mine are not gonna be straight. As you know, as you practice, you get better. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, that would be really cool. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!